rare and critically endangered antelope-like species discovered in the Annamite range of Vietnam and Laos. Snow leopard Panthera yuncha, inhabiting the mountainous regions of Central and South Asia. The snow leopard is a majestic big cat, adapted to high altitudes, facing threats due to habitat loss and poaching. Japanese giant salamander Andreas japonicus. This aquatic giant, native to Japan, is one of the largest salamanders in the world, and its unique appearance has made it an important cultural symbol. Malayan tapir Tapirus indicus, recognized for its distinctive black and white coloration. The Malayan tapir is the largest of the tapir species.